Pet peeves.
What pet peeves?
Number 1, when they don't pop the bubbles. Shh.
We should have a pranking video.
Planking YouTube channel, I mean.
So guys, we're gonna start pranking. Yeah. So all the guys, take a bell.
When they pull the slime through the racket.
Oh, I just got this.
This is like a kind of broken racket. Let's get that stick. See? So this right here is broken.
Where's my phone?
You have it!
Is it really bad out there? Did you guys make a really bad mess?
No.
Yeah.
Oh, I did it. Oh, I did it.
I'll have to send you to the North Pole jail.
Don't send us to the North Pole jail.
Oh, yeah, there is.
When they make the slime look big. This actually is a really big slime. I got it from my container of slime. Hi guys, I'm making a video here. Yeah, you can sit on that. Just make sure there's... So guys, this actually is a really big slime, but I just took a piece out of it like this. My cousin's making a YouTube video at the same time on my channel.
Yeah,
Like
it's a vlog.
Yeah, I just made a tiny bit. I took a tiny bit out of it and then I just put it in.
Guys, this is our best vlog.
When they name their slime totally different things than what it is. Hey guys, this is my unicorn poop glitter slime. It is really cute and I think it's a creative name. Like you can name your slime anything you want. Oh yeah. Yeah.
This guy says
When they rip the slime.
oh, that's my butter slime. This is her first cool board though.
No, I have two. I have another one somewhere else. Don't touch that. Stop.
This is not me. Guys, you could check me on Snapchat. What's my Snapchat name again?
Jordan Suarez.
Mine Suarez?
Jordan Suarez.
Wait, what?
Yeah, whatever it is. I'll put it in the description of your video. You can only make your video. Okay, if you look at the bottom on the top, make sure it's only up to 14 or 15 because that's how long your videos can be, okay?
Okay, so guys.
When the slime is too sticky.
Yeah, guys. No, Lacey, remember we're going to do a new video because we're going to do a video that we have to pick a number and there's going to be food and then we have to eat, remember?
Yeah, that's on my vlogging channel.
Yeah, we're going to do that later, the vlogging channel. We're doing my vlogging channel right now. And then the next vlogging channel is
No, that's my channel you're using. Using my channel, so any videos you post is actually, I can actually see the videos you post. There can be no bad words in the videos.
No bad words?
No bad words.
Bad words, okay. My mom might say that.
Just tell her no bad words in my videos.
Yeah,
okay?
like I said, if I start being a YouTuber, better not cuss. I'll go tell her that. Because I'm already a YouTuber.
Come on! It's
Lacey.
too... Wait, you have to be quiet because I'm making a video.
I-
When they're too aggressive with their slime. When they're too gentle with it.
That's me.
When they think the slime, when they're blind and they don't know what it is.
Oh gosh, what is this? What no, this?
When the camera's too shaky.
go
So
first.
guys, that was my slime pet peeves, and I think you liked the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, post notifications, and comment down which slime do you think was the best.
Yeah,
This one, this one,
or
this one,
or this one.
this one, or my white one, okay? So make sure you like and subscribe, and post notifications, comment down below which slime was the best, and I hope you had a nice day, and bye!